heading out towards the west end of the estate, where the Balmoral Forest is, which was bought by Queen Victoria. When she initially bought it, she only bought the timber, and then later on she bought the land that the trees were growing on, and it's said to be the first act of conservation. I'm Joe Maclugash. I've been here 30 plus years now. My father used to work in the forestry, and I sort of followed in his footsteps. I started working in the forest in 1981. So I'm the Forestry Foreman from Balmoral Estate. Balmoral Estate's owned by the royal family, and it's the private residence. There's a lot of forestry, there's farming, there's a stud farm on the estate, and farm breeds Highland cattle. Day to day, I'm the Forestry Foreman, so I'm in charge of the day-to-day running of the forestry department on the estate, which covers a wide variety of things. I mean, one day we could be felling trees, clearing windblow. The next day we could be building a fence, sawmilling. The LT40 Sawmill is pretty well built. It's easy enough to use once you get your head round the sort of principles of how it operates. We use it for quite a lot of projects across the estate. I recently just finished refurbishing a bridge. Now on the estate there's roughly about 20,000 acres of mixed conifer woodlands, and the woods that cut in our sawmill is sourced from the estate itself. It's all homegrown, which the King quite likes. I really enjoy working with the Wood-Mizer. It took a number of years to talk round the boss to getting one. The LT40 it's a good machine, yeah.